Hi Bookies, today's wash day is powered by Simples, okay? We're talking Amika Kure Strength Repair line. I got the shampoo, conditioner, and the hair mask from the Sephora birthday gift this year. And funny enough, I actually bought the soul food nourishing hair mask months ago and just never got around to try it. Clearly the universe said, girl, it's time, so let's get into it. Before we even touch shampoo, I always start with my DIY powder mask. Think of it as like a spa day for your scalp and your hair. If you watch my other videos, you guys have seen it 1,000 times, so I'm just rinsing that out and soaking my hair like a chia pet because we're going full hydration mode. This step is key, especially if your hair have a hard time absorbing water like mine. My curl need that moisture before I even think about detangling. Next up, I go in with a cocktail of conditioner to finger detangle. This isn't the final conditioner, just the let me clean this buildup and separate this curl without crying conditioner. I let that sit for at least 10 minutes so it can melt the nuts. My curls be like, "Then sis, we needed that." Rinsing it all out, I'm not gonna lie, my hair already felt so much better. She's back to being soft and dramatic just like me. Alright, quick little length check, and yes, if you follow me on IG, you know that I cut my hair 3 days after this because impulsive hair decisions are part of self-care, is it not? Now for the shampoo, and y'all, I am impressed. The texture so creamy, the smell subtle, like it's giving clean girl who drinks chlorophyll water soft. It doesn't slap you in the face with fragrance, but something is there. I don't know what it is, but something is there. Like luxury without trying too hard. Also, I use a toothbrush to get the buildup of my scalp. Not a scalp massager, sorry not sorry, those little spiky massager, cute for vibes, useless for buildup. We scrubbing, not tickling. Quick rinse, and then yep, we're going again. I always shampoo twice, once to break the dirt and once to make sure I didn't just swirl it around and call it a day. Rinsing it out again, my scalp feels clean, like squeaky clean without being stripped. If my hair could let go, a sigh of relief it would. Okay, why shampoo twice? It's because the second shampoo is where the magic happens. The first shampoo leaves the dirt, but now I can actually feel it cleansing my scalp. It layers way more this time and give that soft, foamy texture that feels like super moisturizing. My hair didn't feel stripped at all, which is rare from a strengthening line. Usually repair shampoo can leave me feeling like I just washed my hair with dish soap, but this was still very hydrating. By the way, I also saw that it was hydrating and repairing. I don't know how that works, but it worked. It truly understood the assignment. My scalp felt clean without sacrificing moisture, and so did my hair. Time for the hair mask. I applied it on fully wet hair and sections, and y'all, this mask vanished into my stands. Like I kept checking, like did I even put anything on? But in the best way. It absorbed right in, didn't just sit on top of my hair, you know? That's how you know it's a good product, and that's how you know it's working. I twisted each section and popped on my shower cap to trap the heat and let it marinate. I have no idea how long I let that mask on. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to leave it for 10 minutes, but I'm pretty sure I left it for like 30 because I just never listened to the amount of time. I don't know why. Rinsing out the mask, and yes, my hair is thanking me, like the curls were bouncing back. My hair just felt amazing. My hair felt so soft, and my hair was actually really shiny. Lastly, I just went over the twist with the conditioner from the Cure line. Didn't need to do a full deep conditioner again. That mask gave me what it was supposed to give. It gave me what I needed. Just wanted to lock it in with the conditioner. My hair was soft, hydrated, and not tangled at all. This video was filmed a month ago, and I've used the rest of the samples a couple of times since then, and honestly, Amika is that girl. You know, I knew not to expect anything else from a black woman. You know what I mean? The shampoo and conditioners are gentle but do the job, and that mask, I might have to buy the full size. They got me. They really did. After rinsing out the conditioner, I noticed that my curls had that bounce. It didn't weight my hair down, which I love. And I didn't even keep the conditioner on for long. I kept it for maybe 2 minutes. I'm not even gonna lie. And even after using both, like the mask and the conditioner, my hair didn't feel weighted or heavy coated. Everything rinsed out super clean, even with my twist on. No residue, no tacky feeling, just soft, hydrated stands, and the sleep was great too. After washing, I applied my fancy leave-in on top because I did do a little blowout after. Oh, and this blowout, soft, flowing, not frizzy. My hair wasn't crunchy or confused, just smooth, hydrated, and thriving. Let me know in the comments if you tried any of Amika's other products or the line. If there's one that you want me to text next, I actually have the orange mask, so maybe that will be my next video. Until then, y'all already know, hydrate your hair, detangle with love, and treat your hair like it's royalty. See you in my next wash day. Mwah!